Welcome back to Crypto Horizon, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today, we're diving into how you can unlock some fantastic bonuses and discounts on OKX using the promo code HH368. Let's get started. So, what exactly is an OKX promo code? Well, a promo code is a special code you can use when signing up for OKX to get awesome perks like sign-up bonuses and trading fee discounts. And the code we're focusing on today is HH368. Using the code HH368, you can earn up to $10,000 in bonuses and enjoy various discounts on your trading fees. Now, let's walk through how you can use this code step by step. Step-by-step guide to using the OKX promo code. Step 1. Register an account. Head over to the OKX website. During the sign-up process, you'll be asked for a promo code. Make sure to enter HH368 to unlock your bonuses. After entering your email and creating a password, OKX will send you a verification email. Click the link in that email to verify your account. Step 2. Verify your identity, KYC. This step is crucial for security and compliance with regulations. To do this, log into your OKX account, click on your profile, and select Identity Verification. You'll need to upload a clear photo of your ID and a selfie. OKX usually verifies your details pretty quickly. Step 3. Deposit funds. You can deposit either fiat currency or cryptocurrencies. For fiat, go to Buy Crypto and choose your payment method: credit card, P2P trading, or even Google Pay. For crypto, go to Assets, select Deposit, and follow the instructions. Remember, your first deposit can earn you extra bonuses. Step 4. Claim your rewards. Once your funds are in, you can begin trading. OKX offers various trading options like spot trading, futures, and copy trading. By reaching specific trading volumes, you can claim your bonuses. For example, your first deposit of at least $50 and trading volume of $100 will get you a mystery box worth up to $10,000. Higher deposits and trading volumes can unlock even bigger bonuses. Maximizing referral benefits. With OKX's referral program, you can earn even more by inviting friends to join. When your friends sign up using your promo code HH368, both of you can earn rewards. For instance, if they deposit $50 and trade $100, you both get a mystery box worth up to $10,000. To maximize your benefits, share your promo code across your social media, crypto forums, and with anyone interested in trading. Make sure to guide your friends through the sign-up and trading process to ensure they complete all the steps, and you both earn the rewards. OKX Referral Program. Details, eligibility, and requirements. To participate in the referral program, you need to be a new user of OKX. Existing users are not eligible for the referral bonuses. Make sure to sign up using the promo code HH368 and complete the KYC verification process. You must deposit funds and start trading within 30 days of registration to qualify for the bonuses. Reward structure. OKX offers a tiered bonus system based on your deposit and trading volume. Here are some examples. Deposit $50 and trade $100 to get a mystery box worth up to $10,000. Deposit $500 and trade $1,000 to get an even bigger mystery box. The more you deposit and trade, the higher the value of your rewards. OKX Affiliate Program versus Referral Program. The OKX Referral Program is designed for current users who want to invite friends to join. It offers up to $10,000 in deposit bonuses and up to 30% commission on referees' trades, making it a simple and rewarding option for individuals looking to earn through their network. On the other hand, the OKX affiliate program targets influencers and content creators with large audiences, providing lifetime commissions based on trading volume. This program is ideal for those seeking ongoing, scalable earnings with dedicated support for marketing and technical needs. Conclusion. In summary, using the OKX promo code HH368 is a fantastic way to get started with trading on OKX while earning some great bonuses. Register, verify your identity, deposit funds, and start trading to unlock your rewards. Don't forget to share your promo code with friends to maximize your earnings. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more crypto tips and tutorials. Hit that bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching and happy trading with OKX.